Hello everyone and welcome to the first lesson of Pronto Digital Academy. My name is Matteo and I'm the Search and Advertising Manager at Pronto. In today's lesson, we are going to answer one of the questions we get asked more often. Does SEO work for B2B firms? As part of the answer, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to get your website to show up in Google search results, as well as our proven process we've used for our own website to get more traffic. So, does SEO work for B2B firms? The short answer is yes. Just like private consumers, businesses, and the people who work for them are also asking questions, seeking advice, or services online. And most of those searches are done on Google. Thanks to SEO, which is the backbone of your website's organic presence online, you're going to be able to position your website at the top of the search engines and be considered by the searchers for your desired keywords. What do most B2B businesses struggle with? Just like many other B2B companies, you want to grow your business online, but your website isn't showing up on Google. So, to bring in more good fit potential buyers from Google, your website needs to speak and be understood by both users, the people who search, and the search engines. The content available on your website needs to be easy to read, targeted at explaining the benefits of your services, and SEO optimized to facilitate the job of search engines to assess its quality and rank it against other similar websites. Also, no one else knows your business and your customers better than you do, which means you are the one who knows better than anybody else how to understand and speak to your audience's specific pain points. So, think about this. If you've built a great business but no one can find out about it, growing it will be that much tougher. Imagine what would happen if you had built your dream house in an area with no roads to reach it. You'd end up feeling quite lonely if no friends ever came around to visit you. The same goes with your website when there are no new prospects coming in. At Pronto, we like to practice what we preach. In fact, a large part of Pronto's lead generation efforts is a result of steady SEO work and content production. As you can imagine, this didn't happen overnight. In fact, it's the result of 10 years of campaigns and constant tweaking, which over time have taken our site, as well as many of our clients' sites, to the top of Google search results. Over the years, we have developed a process that has yielded positive results both for our clients and for Pronto itself. We call it the 5 phases of an SEO campaign. Let's dive into it. The first phase of this process is the research phase. Here we discover as much as possible about the website you want to optimize, its keywords, locations, services, and competitors. Next, the improvement phase, where we audit and improve upon your existing content and website structure. We make sure all the information is properly organized and easily accessible. The fastest way to boost website traffic comes from the optimization of pages the site already has. After optimizing existing pages like service pages, location pages, product pages, and even landing pages, we transition to the building phase. You will inevitably want to target long-tail, low-competition keywords that don't have a corresponding page yet. It's time to build them now. Build it and they will come. Unfortunately, this philosophy doesn't apply to websites. In order to get exposure, you need to seek for exposure. And during the promotion phase, we do precisely that. More specifically, we're going to figure out the best way to promote your website's most strategic pages through other websites through a process called link building. In very simple terms, building links to your website equals to obtaining a vote of trust from another website to yours. The more high quality votes you get, the higher you're going to rank in the search engines. And last but not least, we have the measuring phase. No SEO campaign could ever exist without this last step, where we analyze your most important metrics and use a scientific approach to optimize your campaign, with the ultimate goal of increasing the quality of traffic and leads coming through your website. So as I just mentioned, when you rank highly in the search engine results, your business can be found more easily by your potential customers who are looking for the kind of products or services that you offer. Remember, more targeted traffic equals more sales opportunities. All right, we hope you enjoyed the first lesson on B2B SEO by Pronto Digital Academy. If you need SEO guidance for your business, please visit our website at prontomarketing.com and fill out the contact form that's on the page, or get in touch with me at matteo@prontomarketing.com. I'm going to get back to you within 48 hours. See you next time. Bye.